Okay, right, today we're going to convert the mileage on this Ford Focus cluster that is going in next week, because the existing cluster is no good because someone's tried repairing it and completely ruined it. The mileage on the car is 55,000, so we need to convert this mileage in this one. And if I turn the ignition on, that we'll see we've got 134,000 miles on this one. This one has been repaired. By the way, all this equipment is for sale if somebody wants to buy one. Okay, this gives you the Go Diag unit, the interface that converts the mileage, does all the immobilizer stuff. Okay, then on the back you've also got a plug that plugs into the back, so you can test these clusters, calibrate the needles and all that sort of thing with it. Okay, so just send us an email if you're interested and we'll send you a price. But today, 134,000 miles, we need to convert that to 55,000 miles. So that can go in. When it goes into the vehicle, which I may do a video on, we've got to just do a PATS alignment and program the keys, and it will start and run as normal. Right, so let's turn on the power as well. So there's our lights. Okay, now we've got our interface plugged in. So what we want to do is we want to go into our Ford OBD. And we want to read this cluster. So what we do, go to there and we go read. No CAN detected. Okay, that is normal because obviously the cluster is on its own. There is no, it's not connected to the networks. So we go yes. So it'll read the cluster, as you can see. It's gone out and it's reading the EEPROM. Takes a little while. Like I said, today all we're interested in is changing the mileage. We could read the immobilizer, all the information from the other cluster, and feed it into this one. Unfortunately, like I said, the customer has got somebody to repair it, so say repair it, and they've destroyed the cluster. So unfortunately we can't read the EEPROM. It is completely in bits, ruined. So we're going to pop this one in next week. So just get it to read the EEPROM. There we go. So everything is okay. So it's a 4.5 MT, which means it's a petrol. 215,000 kilometers. 2 keys. Okay, programmed in, so everything is okay. So what we want to do is we'll just save this information first of all. Save it to the desktop and save it to Ford Focus cluster. Open, save. Right, so that information is now saved. What we want to do is change this mileage. So all I want to do is change this mileage to, as it's in kilometers, 88,513, because the vehicle that's coming from is 55,000 miles. So 88,513. 88,513. I want to set that mileage. Okay, so that mileage is now set. And now I want to write that. Okay, so now we've got the choice of writing the odometer values, which is all we're going to do today, the immobilizer data, so that enables us to clone and start the car just with the immobilizer, or the whole EEPROM. Okay, but I'm not interested in the whole EEPROM. If we could read the other cluster, we would do whole EEPROM, just copy the whole lot across, and it would be an exact cloned copy. And you could just plug it back in, start the car, away you go. Okay, but we're just going to change the odometer values for today. So I'm going to click on that. It'll check the CAN. Okay, no CAN traffic, which is expected as it's on its own. Okay, it's now connecting. Now it's going to write the odometer values into this cluster. And it's done. So if I now go to the cluster and I just turn off there we go, 54,999 miles. Okay, and that's it. Thank you for watching.